G'day everyone, today we're making a simple yet delicious basic salad. We'll start with a mix of fresh salad leaves, making sure they're washed and dried. Then we'll add some halved cherry tomatoes or diced Roma tomatoes for sweetness and juiciness. Next up, throw in some sliced Continental Cucumber for a refreshing crunch. And then some thinly sliced red onion for a bit of sharpness. Now combine everything into a bowl. And we'll dress this salad with our delicious vinaigrette from our previous video. The key is to add just enough to make the leaves glisten, but not soak them. And there you have it, a perfect basic salad ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.